इस वीडियो में मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी कुछ ऐसे बिगिनर आर्ट एक्सरसाइजेस जो तुम्हें तुम्हारी ड्राइंग स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव करने में बहुत मदद करेंगी। एंड इन द एंड ऑफ दिस सीरीज आई कैन अश्योर यू कि तुम सेमी रियलिस्टिक ह्यूमन फेस आसानी से ड्रा कर पाओगे अगर तुमने वीडियो में दिखाए गए सारे स्टेप्स को मन लगा के फॉलो किया तो। हाय, माय नेम इज राशि एंड आई एम अ सेल्फ टॉट आर्टिस्ट। और तुम लोगों के कहने पे आई स्टार्टेड दिस सीरीज वेयर आई विल टीच यू हाउ कैन यू इम्प्रूव योर ड्राइंग स्किल्स एंड टेक इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल। नाउ लेट्स गेट टू द रियल टॉपिक, व्हाट यू नीड टू स्टार्ट ड्राइंग। Well, it's really simple. All you need is some papers and a pencil. Now, before going to the real artwork, you should know some basics. और उसी के लिए I have designed these 3 exercises. First, let me show you how to hold a pencil properly. You are not going to hold it from the very starting point and you are not going to hold it from the very end because that's not how you're gonna draw. Find the point of mass, like where it actually balances on your finger, and that is the point you're gonna hold your pencil onto. ये सारे एक्सरसाइजेस तुम वहीं से पेंसिल को होल्ड करके करने वाले हो बिकॉज दिस इज द सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ द पेंसिल जहाँ से तुम प्रेशर को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो। इफ़ यू वांट योर लाइन्स टू लुक मोर डार्कर, तुम पेंसिल को थोड़ा आगे से पकड़ सकते हो, बट इफ़ यू वांट लाइट प्रेशर देन यू गोना होल्ड योर पेंसिल exactly like I have shown you. Number 1, confident crispy lines. Any beautiful artwork is made of clean lines, जिसके लिए तुम्हें हैंड कंट्रोल और इमेजिनेशन जैसी स्किल्स डेवलप करनी होती है। This is very simple. Just try to draw straight lines without lifting the pencil from the paper. Draw a line और उसके ऊपर बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो. Try to be calm and as fast as you can. Try it going forward and then the backwards. Now there is one more thing you can do. Draw 2 dots across the paper and try to connect them with a single straight line. You can try different shapes like a curvy line, a circular motion or whatever you want. इससे तुम्हारी इमेजिनेशन पावर बूस्ट होगी and you will be able to watch your lines more. कोशिश करना कि ये सब तुम एक ही लाइन से कर पाओ. Lifting your pencils a lot of times can make your artwork look really bad. Number 2, the bubble exercise. और इस एक्सरसाइज में जाने से पहले let me share a trick which I use in my process and I call it the ghosting method. In this method, your hand should know the path before the pencil touches the paper. You imagine what you're gonna draw in the air, imagining and practicing multiple times, and then you actually draw it. Now, as you know this, let's move on to our main exercise. And in this exercise, you're gonna draw a lot of circles, a small one, large one, and whatever you like on your whole sheet, so it starts looking like a soap bubbles. Draw circles inside the boxes, circles touching each other and having the same radius. This helps you to practice circular motion, which is really important. Number 3, learning basic shapes. Once you are able to draw crispy lines, round circles, you already mastered the difficult part. Now you just need to learn some basic shapes which are used to draw any artwork, like a square, a circle, triangle, rectangle, etc. Every reference you take is made of these basic shapes. You should know how to break it in it. और अगर तुम्हें किसी भी पिक्चर को देखकर उसे उसकी बेसिक शेप्स में ब्रेक डाउन करना आ गया, you are good to go. It will take some observation skills and experience doing that, but you will get it as you practice. The more you practice, the more you know about it. And that's it. That's it for the video. That's it for today. You don't have to do this all at once, but step by step. Take your time, practice it daily, 5 days, 7 days, or 10 days maybe. Doesn't matter. As long as you are learning something new every day, you are going to the right direction. I will see you in the next video with something new. Till then, work on what you learned today so we can move on to the next step. Like the video if you actually enjoyed it and leave a feedback in comment section. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Thank you for watching.